Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable dark mode on YouTube. If you're using YouTube and then you want to enable dark mode for your YouTube app, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your YouTube app. Very first, I recommend you how to make an update into your YouTube app by opening your App Store or Play Store. You have to go for search for YouTube app, and you have to make sure that your YouTube app is up to date. There is no any pending updates for your YouTube app. If you find trying to update your app, just tap on this update option and your app will be got an update. After updating your app, you have to simply go back, open your YouTube app here, and here just tap on this profile option in the bottom right corner. Then tap on three horizontal lines at the setting of the gear icon in the top right corner here. Select general, and here you must have to look for appearance option. Here's appearance, simply tap on that, and here you have to select dark mode, or here's the dark theme. Just select that, and once you have selected, your dark mode will be enabled into your YouTube app. So in this way you can easily use dark mode in YouTube. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.